We'll see three to four options. One Terraform 10, Terraform untamed. Yesterday we discussed based on that we'll go for the example. Suppose you know how to create VPC, how to create subthread. Quickly guide me, anyone, how to create. Just I'm opening Visual Studio Code. Open folder. Maybe I'm taking new one on my D drive. New folder. Just I'm taking one folder. Our concept is taint untaint. Taint untaint. T untaint. Just I'm taking like that. Yes, select the folder. Nothing will be there. There I'm creating new file, more, new file. There main dot. In that provider AWS, welcome story AWS. What happened? Keyboard is not working. It is working. Okay, let me resolve it. Provider AWS. Now tell me here, generally what you may written? What you may written? Region. The region is maybe AP South.
Okay, sir.
AP South. Next, generally nowadays we're using profile, right? PRO profile. Profile is equal to default. Default.
Default.
That. Now we're creating resource. What is the resource name? AWS underscore VPC. AWS underscore VPC. The name, this is internal name or only for Terraform state file internal it will take maybe my AWS underscore VPC. We are taking here mainly we need to take CIDR block. The block here is maybe 40 dot 55 dot 0 dot 0 by 16. This story everybody I think well known story. Here how many instances we may create? 65,536 minus 5. Minus 5. 5 is reserved by AWS. Okay. This is the very simple thing. Now what I require is I need what is subnet? Resource the AWS underscore subnet subnet subnet. The subnet name is tell me my underscore AWS underscore VPC underscore maybe I'm taking pub underscore sub one public subnet one. That is our intention only. Now in the same way here is also we need CADR class. Here is something goes wrong. Why it is giving that? What happened? What happened? Any extra things are there? We check it. CADR, CADR, CADR block. Now here is also I am taking that is 100%. You will take this CADR block range only. That's why 40 dot 40 dot 55 dot 1 dot 0 by 24 I am take.
So that
See,
is random address or any.
this is random numbers. Even that numbers also in between 1 to 254. 1 to
Okay.
254. This is the standard rule of IP addressing. IP addressing. Okay. If you
That's
don't know, we'll take one class for only for IP ranges. How to implement those IP ranges.
So in line number 10, space is need to give, sir. After sub A.
Line number 10, where you need to go space here.
Sub
Yes.
one, sir.
This one. Okay, something goes wrong. I'll check it. We'll check it. I think this is okay. This is okay. RE resource okay. But here is getting an error, right? We'll check it.
Sir, that is good.
Here is, there I go for VPC ID or only ID. VPC something goes wrong. That's what I am checking. Actually, resource, this is okay. AWS underscore subnet, okay. But we are getting here, I don't know why error. Or else what I may do is, first I remove this one. Actually, we won't get such type of errors. Okay, again resource, simply AWS underscore subnet. Clearly is there, right? Is there. The subnet name is maybe myself. Only I am taking
For,
myself.
for subnet only getting the error, sir.
If I take only subnet only error, right?
Yes, sir. Before subnet,
AW.
no error.
Mhm. For that, I may change some other way. I will take the help of internet. Take the help of internet. Here I may go for VPC or otherwise AWS underscore subnet, subnets are Terraform. See, subnet only correct. Okay, subnet. This is the resource AWS subnet. I'm taking like this. Then we'll check it what happens. Copy, Control V. I think we are not getting it. See, same name, right? AWS underscore subnet. Anyway, leave it, don't worry. There are 40. This one I am taking. Control C. There I am pasting Control V, but our numbers. What is our number? 40, 55, 0, here 24. Why 24? I'll tell you quickly. Once again, is the 24. Here, this is important. So, there. See, this is the main resource. This is the main resource. What is the main resource? VPC. Even if I want to create a subnet, before creating the subnet, which is mandatory to create VPC. See,
VPC.
subnet is dependent on AWS VPC. Simply in Terraform, concept dependency is there. What is the dependency? See, B is dependent on A means A must be created before using before using B. Got it or not? See, A is there, B is there. B is dependent on A means A must be created before. Suppose B is dependent on A or A is dependent on B means B must be created before using A. I think I am dependent on you means you must be there. You must be there. Primary resource you, second resource me. Same you got it or not? Which is important first? If you want to create subnet, you must create VPC. See, this is the dependence. Maybe this is the latest culture. What is the old culture? Even some projects they may be written like that. What they may written, even that one I'll show you. This is the way they write. Both are valid, Siddharth. So both are valid. So check it. This is also valid. This is also valid. But you must give in double quotations. But you must mention in double quotation. Now error is removed, right? Error is removed, right? Why they implemented like this means this is the extra button. What is the extra button? Double quotation, dollar symbol, flower bracket. Are you understanding or not? Is it really needed? Nowadays, not needed. Nowadays, not needed. But if you want it, you can write. Why I am giving the sense? Suppose if you join in one company that is existing project, not a new project, they may use such code also. They may use such code also. That's what I am telling. Anyway, here if you want to work with subnet, that VPC ID you need to mention. And now tell me, what is our VPC? What is our VPC resource? This is the resource block. This is the resource type. What is the resource type? AWS underscore VPC. Till now clear, right? This one also clear. Now, what is the name of the VPC? My AWS VPC. This one you copy it. You copy it. Here you paste it. I hope you are understanding. Here, this one. Control V. Which one we are getting? AWS underscore VPC dot my underscore AWS underscore VPC dot this ID will be created. Once it executed, once it executes, internally it will create one ID, right? That ID we are assigning to here. Based on this ID, this resource will generate. This resource in the sense subnet. What is the name of the subnet will generate? Main. But in our intention, my pub sub, my pub sub, my public subnet. I want to give same name here. Control C, Control V. I hope you understood here. In the same way, here also I am taking tags. Control C, you know it. Here I am placing Control V. Now guess and tell me my AWS underscore VPC. Control C, my AWS underscore VPC. Is it clear or not? Tell me. If it is clear, we'll try to provision for this resources. How many resources are there here? Just how many times I use a resource means those many resources it will provision. It will provision. Now here itself we will try first. It is just go for terminal, terminal, new terminal. Good. Terraform, Terraform, Terraform in it. That's all. What happened? Quickly got it. Ever within seconds you got it. Terraform has been successfully initialized. But I didn't get anything here. But anyway, we'll check it. Anyway, we'll check it. Actually, some here you need to get some folders, right? Till now I didn't get.
Yes.
I didn't
Yes.
get. I think I did. I saved or not? First, I will
Not saved.
say not saved. That is the problem. I think. Now just go for Terraform init.
You need it.
Now it is downloading properly. Now it is downloading properly. Now Terraform related. See one log file is there. Okay, everything is fine. Now Terraform. Just stop. Yes, I am giving. First, we'll go and check it. These two resources got created or not. There we are going. Now there AWS. Yes. Now I'm in Mumbai region. EC2, not EC2 actually. There I need to apply BPC. BPC. Your VPCs. There, observe first what is our actual name? My AWS VPC. Got it or not? 40.55. Got it or not? There you go for subnet. What is our subnet? My pub sub.
So
Okay, everything is fine. This one already we know. This is not a special thing. But anyway, just once again, we are just taking like a doing like a revision. That is okay. Now my intention is what? Terraform. First, Terraform list I want to get it. How can I see how many resources are there? Can you guess it? Terraform, Terraform, anyone? Terraform state list. Terraform state list. Now, got it or not? How many resources are created? These two resources. In this, any one resource you want to recreate. You don't want to recreate all. If you want to recreate all, generally what you may do? What you may do? Again apply. That is your duty. See, generally, here zero added, zero changed, zero destroyed. Why is it is giving such a message? Terraform is IDM potent. I said, what is the meaning of IDM potent? If there is no changes in existing resource, it won't recreate. I hope this is very, very, very important. They may ask in interview. Already I created resource. Once again, I may go with the reapply, Terraform apply. What happens? See, Terraform has compared your real infrastructure. Real infrastructure in the sense, within the cloud, it is compared against your configuration. See, many people may have a doubt. So what is the meaning of configuration here? Can you guess it? What is the meaning of configuration? Configuration means .tf
no,
file. Listen. Configuration means .tf file. This is the TF file. This TF file is compared with your actual resource. Both are matched. Both are matched. Suppose I removed one zero. Got it? I removed one zero. Here also what I may do? Subnet also I must remove, right? Subnet also or main VPS also I remove. After that what I am doing? Just to save. After that, what I may go? Just a Terraform apply. Something modified or not? Something modified or not? If it is modified, what happens here? To destroy. To destroy. First, what it will do? To destroy will do. Then what it may go do? To add. To add. So there are understanding, right? But here, how many resources are
yes, sir.
how many resources are recreating? Once
Two.
again, two. Here our question is, I said yesterday, three-floor building is there. In that in middle floor only some problem is there. Only I need to rectify that problem. What does it mean? Again, I am going to Terraform list, Terraform state list. Now you take either first one or second. I want to recreate only that resource. Even though resource is created, if I second time apply also, it won't recreate. That is the Terraform. What I said, Terraform IDM potent. IDM potent. Some people may say IDM, actual word is IDM potent only. Maybe they may pronounce different ways. Okay, right. What is the meaning of IDM potent? If actual resource is created, it won't recreate because of there is no change. There is no change. Terraform taint, T-A-I-N-T, taint. Terraform taint. Which resource you want to recreate? Which resource you want to recreate? Suppose I am taking this one. Copy it and paste it. If I press enter, read this one. Resource. Here is instance AWS underscore VPC has been marked as tainted. See, what is the technical meaning of tainted? Marking a resource for recreation. Everybody must remember this one. What is the meaning of taint? Marking a resource for recreation. Now I will try for apply. Now I may try for apply. What happens? Check it. Now small difference may happens. It is clearly again it is saying how many? Two, right? No, no. It will see only one. We'll try it once again. There you check it. Both are creating, only one is creating. Both is it is giving, right? Both it is giving. Marking just Terraform apply VPC, my AWS VPC, my AWS VPC. Which one I tried? Okay, I want to taint it. Both will not do, only one will do. Okay, has been marked as okay. I'll again Terraform list. Terraform list. There I am taking this one at least. Terraform, Terraform taint. Enter it. Yes, it is tainted. Now you go for Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Apply. What it is showing? Mhm. It is showing both, but our actual concept, actual internally will do only. Now what it is saying, Terraform will perform the actions described above. Only yes, that is okay. Only okay. Uh, 2 to add, 0 to change, 2 to destroy. This is not the right scenario, but anyway, it is marked actually. Actually, it will show only one to destroy. Only one to destroy. Why it will show one to destroy means I tainted only one resource. Or else here it may give one message. Here it will give one. Here the clearly it is saying, see, observe here. AWS subnet dot my pub
It's
sub
tainted.
is tainted, so must be
Replaced.
replaced. For other one, you may not get such message. See, for
Yes,
other
sir.
one, are you getting? Even here also, what is that? Both are taking, right? I think actually I tainted only one, right? I tainted only one. Which one I tainted? See one
Subnet,
second.
sir.
Subnet, but only subnet will provide like that. But it's showing both. That is the actual wrong look and feel. But anyway, it is showing like that. If I go for maybe VPC some other thing, we may get like that. Here dependency is there. And even though dependency is there, it will taint only one item. See, I am giving only my public subnet. My public subnet. It will show for us only that one. It will show for us only that one. Once it is done, I'll go for a Terraform, apply once again. Now properly getting observed. So there,
Yes, sir.
one to
Only one
add,
added, one
zero to change, one to destroy.
one to this.
Now this is the actual scenario. See now, AWS underscore subnet at my pub sub is tainted. So must be replaced
Replaced.
means recreated. In previous, why we got like that, we don't know. But this is the actual proper output. Okay. Anyway, I am giving yes. Now properly getting same. Whatever you specified, that one. Suppose one thing. See, your boss said, so there you taint like this. You taint like this. After 1 minute, again he said, you apply tainted. So, if you apply Terraform apply, automatically it will recreate. Again they realized, they understood, we don't want taint. We don't want taint. Just you go for untaint. Untaint means don't mark it. Untaint means don't mark it. Is it clear or not? If you want to go for graphical
Yes, sir.
representation, Windows key or MS Paint, even I may show you maybe a high level scenario. This is your, this is your cloud. This is your cloud. Within the cloud, you are creating one subnet, one that is VPC. There they assume this is the VPC. In that one subnet you are creating. One subnet you are creating. Assume two subnets are there for easy understanding. Two subnets are there. Unfortunately, something goes wrong. You don't know why it is goes wrong. This is goes wrong. Why do you create this one and this one? I am not touching VPC. I am not touching subnet 2. I am only recreate. I am only recreate subnet 1. Subnet 1. This one only. This one only. I am taking. This one only. What I am doing? I am taking. That's why I am applying the command. What is the command name? Terraform. Terraform. Just TAINT that resource name. Resource underscore name. I think you got the clarity.
Yes, sir.
This is only specific resource only recreate. Specific resource only recreate. Now, in the same way, today one more main concept is Terraform module. Terraform module. Okay, first I will try to understand. Why do we go for module? Generally, in languages, the word modularity, the word modularity, MODULU, modularity. What is the meaning of modularity? This is one big task, is subdivided into subtasks. Is subdivided into subtasks. Is subdivided into subtasks. This is nothing but our intention. T1, this is assume this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 4. Each task is nothing but one module. Suppose if I splitted, assume, if I splitted, how can I split? See, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. For your each understanding, now I splitted one, I am showing. Same diagram, I split it in the sense it may happen, right? It may happen, right? Are you understanding or not? It may happen. A big task is subdivided into subtask. The subtask is module. This module, assume this is the task one. For easy understanding, again I am giving this is the task one. This task one I may use in project one. This is project one. This is project two. This is project three. Three projects. Three projects require same module. Three projects require same module. They may consume like this. They may consume like this. Again, they may consume. What is the advantage here? What is the advantage here? The advantage is reusability. Reusability. I hope everybody understood high level graphical diagram, right? See, one big task is subdivided into subtasks. Each task is nothing but module. That module I may consume here, here, here. Is it clear or not? Tell me. This is the module only. Module only. Module never contain provider. Please try to remember. Module never contain provider. Why provider information never contain? This is your company. You may use your provider. Got it or not? Your provider. This is my company. I may use my provider. My provider. But this is the common module. This module you may use here. You may use here. I hope if it is clear, we'll go for the implementation. Shall I go with? But modules are two types. Modules are two types. One is predefined. Predefined. Second one, can you guess it? Anyone? Can you guess it? User defined. User defined or custom. CUSTOM. Custom modules. One is the predefined. Second one is user defined or custom module. First we'll see one. First we'll see one predefined. One predefined. Now just I am going to here. There I am typing just Terraform, Terraform modules, Terraform modules. Now see, Terraform people got created thousands of modules, browse modules. See, so many modules. Maybe number they given somewhere. We'll see given somewhere it is there. Anyway, which one is simple? You try to tell me that one. I'll take it. That is your intention. Maybe here S3 bucket is there. Security group is there. What well-known names only you can consider. After that, we'll go any special one is there. We'll go for the special one. Here some names are visible, right? Some names were visible. Maybe
Yes.
VPC is there, IAM is there, and security group is there. EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service, Elastic Kubernetes Service, and S3 bucket. I think well-known thing S3 bucket, everybody know it, right? S3 bucket. Shall we go with this or RDS? RDS means relational database as a service. Okay, for easiness, I am taking S3. Yes. Here, once you take SC, how many downloads is available? Same, that one we can write it. See, very simple thing. Very simple thing. Everything written someone, everything written. We'll see that one also, what they written, what they written. Even if you want to see it, you can click here example, there complete example, complete example. You can see it. You can see it. If you read one or two documentations, 100% you will get the clarity. What are the commands you may use? Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply. Already we know well known this. Very happy. Now, finally, if you want it, you can apply Terraform destroy. They given in red color means this is the danger command. This is the danger command. What are the versions are available in this module? They are telling this anyway. Once you simply understand the example, then I am coming to the documentation, then you will get it. See, something they written, right? What they written something, they given in this way, they given in this way. Just copy this, that is your wish. Just copy this. As a professional, you don't know what it is internally, but as a learner, you don't know what it is internally. You are consuming. As a professional, everything you know what it is internally. We are saving our time. We are saving our time. Got it or not? We are saving our time. You may ask me, really what it contain? We'll see quickly. Really what it is contain? We'll see quickly. Right. I am going to where I should go. First remove this. Now see here, just a control. Now module. First keyword is what? What is the first keyword? If you want to write a module, if you want to consume a module, you want to work with a module, you need to use the keyword module. Just like a provider we use it here, right? Provider name. This is the module. Here my module name is here here whatever the name you can take. S3 bucket example complete. Here I may written Sudhir bucket also. Sudhir bucket. But this is the naming convention. Maybe second scenario will change this name also. This name also. This is S3 S3 bucket underscore example underscore come. This is important. Source. Source means someone created, right? Someone created. Terraform hyphen AWS hyphen modules. Here is hyphen S3 bucket hyphen S3 bucket AWS examples complete version 3.15.1. Maybe on which version it may work. This is the version. If you remove this one also, no problem. First, what I may do, I may delete this. Is it delete option is there? Yes. Again delete this. Yes. Now main is there. This one is also I don't want. Delete this. This one also I don't want. Everything is fine. First save it. First save it. Save all. Now I'll try to apply Terraform. Terraform init. Terraform init. I am initializing. See? What is the specialty? I think have you observed anyone here? What is the number system is taking? 3.15.1. Here they mentioned, right? 3.15.1. That version only download. That version only download. Downloading registry, the terraform.io, terraform AWS modules slash S3 slash bucket slash AWS. Okay. Once it is finished, I'll show you. Even you can't see the code externally, but implicitly everything we can see it. Everything we can see it. We'll see once it is finished. It is finished, right? Just we'll see here. Just I'm expanding this. Their modules is there. Their modules is there. Within the modules, S3 bucket. Within the S3 bucket, their main.tf is there. Within the S3, main.tf is there. Now this is the code. Who written? Someone written. This is the code. This is the lengthy code look like is there. The written multi-purpose in real world, suppose 100 clouds are there, for all the clouds they return, for all the clouds in the sense, maybe 1,000 plus clouds are there, for every cloud they return same thing. We may write our own, there you will get 100% clarity. But anyway, you may know very simple way. If you want to work with S3 bucket, which is mandatory, I think at least read it anyone, which is mandatory. Bucket name is mandatory, right? Yes,
Mandatory.
mandatory. There where that bucket in variables, their out input variables is there. Wherever the variable name, say variables. In that variables, they mention bucket name. Even we'll check it here. We'll check it. Somewhere they mention bucket name, check it here. Bucket name, where is the bucket name? Variable, create bucket, description. They default, they didn't take. True. True means dynamically it will create one bucket name dynamically, or it may ask which one they took only name or some other thing. Where is the main in this? Yes. There what we took here only bucket bucket. Now, but one variable name bucket is there. Just observe and tell me variables. The variable name itself bucket. Only bucket. Where is that? Only bucket. Where is that name? You need to search only. Control F. Control F. Here is only bucket. bucket bucket. See here. Variable. What is the name here? Bucket. Default value. Default value means null means what Sudhir? Default
Default. Default.
Default null means not specified in our scenario, not
Yes.
specified. When it will ask? At the time
At the
of
time of running.
runtime. In CLI, it will ask. In CLI, it will ask. I hope you understood. I hope you understood. Okay, anyway, we'll try it. We'll work. We'll run it. It may work. Based on that, we may understand. Where is our original one? Original one in substance. I don't want this. Cancel. I don't want. Even I don't want to see this. This is our main. This is our main, right? I'll try to just test it. Terraform, Terra, Terraform, apply. See what happens. Enter a value. What is that? What is asking? Do you want to perform these actions? It is asking
Yes.
approve, right? Yes. Yes. We take only S3 bucket, right? Bucket will be generated. Bucket
Yes.
will be generated. Even we can see which type of bucket it will create. In real time, 99% they won't write their own module. They may get it from Terraform modules. They can manipulate. They can manipulate in the sense according to even see how many resources got created. 32
32. Right.
resources is the full-fledged company related resources are created. Anyway, we'll go and check it. We'll go and check it. Which resource it got created? Even we can check it. Even we can check it. Terraform, even Terraform state
List. List.
list. There we can see clearly what are the things got created. What are the things got created? Implications, even lengthy names it is provided. But we want to see here itself showing bucket name, here itself showing bucket name. Even we go for Terraform plan, I am applying Terraform plan. Here itself we can see the name. That's what I am giving like that. Why it is giving? AWS provider. Why plan is giving error? Actually, it is created in previous, right? AWS account ID not found for provider. Not found for provider. Okay. There they observe. Their providers is there, right? So there. Their providers. Their providers.
Yes, sir.
Now we may go here. This is our provider, okay. This is our provider, okay. I may go for save all. That is good. What they written here, they mention in their scenario providers, providers, their AWS. It is opened or not open? Opened or not open? Actually, got created again. It is giving an error. Why it is giving an error? Just this is the provider. Our main intention is what? This one, our main intention. Main intention. Okay. Anyway, once again, I can apply. I may apply our main file. This is our main file. I may go for actually resource got created. Now Terraform, just apply once again. If you apply. Now see, apply complete. Research zero add, zero change, zero desktop. That means everything is fine, right? And one or more similar, okay, no problem. But that is given somewhere in previous scenario. Okay, anyway, I may go for here VPC. Where is that? Here, not VPC, S3, right? S3,
Yes, sir.
S3. See, some name got created. Some name got created. I think I didn't mention, or region I mentioned, right? Region I mentioned. See, cloud front log strong. Based on the time, check it. What is
First
today?
one, sir. November
First,
2, first one.
yeah, that is given cloud front logs
Long
strong, maybe.
Iran.
Something they got created, right? Created or not. That is dynamically, that is taking. Dynamically, that is taking. In the same way, assume. We need to create our own mod. We need to create our own mod. Very simple way we'll create. Very simple way we'll create. For example, we need to create. We need to choose one drive, Sudhir. We need to choose one drive. For example, I am creating our own Windows kiosk, CMD, CMD. Just, hmm. just I am going to any one drive. Maybe I am going to E drive. In E drive, what I may do in the sense, there, MD, make directory, I'm giving my hyphen first hyphen module. My VPC module. My VPC module. I think folder got created, right? Folder is created. I'm entering into that folder. CD my VPC folder. My VPC. I think spelling correct only, right?
No, no, my underscore, not my
My
underscore.
hyphen VPC folder. Yes, I entered. There, notepad, main.tf. Notepad, main.tf. There, what I am doing, I am fixing. Maybe dynamically we can check it, or we can, maybe we may go for dynamic nature also. See, resource. You know, what is the resource? AWS underscore
AWS.
VPC. You know it. There, very simple one. CIDR underscore block. BLOCK block is equal to block ID. You need to specify where dot. We may go for CIDR underscore BLOCK block. That's all. I am not doing anything. Next, in the same, only simple one I take because of you need to understand the purpose of module, right? Resource AWS VPC resource, that is the name I need to mention, right? Name I need to mention. Name I need to mention. This is my underscore VPC. My underscore VPC. I hope you got it. There, if you want it, you can mention tax. You know it. Tax is equal to flower bracket. There you need to specify name, right? Name is equal to this name also you need to specify where dot this is the VPC name or my underscore VPC underscore name. So there my underscore CADR block I need to specify at runtime, and also that block VPC name also I need to specify at runtime. Code is clear or not? Code is clear or not? Just I go
Yes,
for just I go for variable. 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 What is the name of the variable? Anyone can guess it? What is the name of the variable? CADR block one variable name. Is it clear or not? I am not mentioning anyway. I may mention type. I may mention type. TYPE type. What is the type here? String. What is the type here? String. I am not mentioning default value. I am not mentioning default value. What does it mean? It may ask at runtime. It may ask at runtime. I may go for once again. Why I am specifying at runtime? You may give your own name, I may give my name. Got it or not? I am not fixing. In the same way, variable, we are variable. What is the name you need to mention? My underscore, VPC underscore name. My underscore, VPC underscore name. And now guide me here. What is that? Type is equal to string. Even this one
string.
also I am not mentioning. This is also clear. This is also clear. Now I am closing this. I am closing this. That is work is finished. What is the name of that? Main file. Main file. What is the folder name? My VPC module. This folder contain what? Main.tf. Till now clear or not? Till now clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
This one I want to call. Where I want to call? One step back to there. One step back. I moved one step back. Here I am creating notepad, test. I am not writing even main. I am not writing module. For your clarity, test hyphen I am giving module. That is our name. I think know it. Notepad test hyphen module dot tf. Test hyphen module dot tf. There, what I am writing first, our provider details. You know, PROVI here. What is the provider name? AWS. What provider contain two things? What are those two things? One is what is that? Region. Region. What is the region? AP South one. You know it. Now, what is that? PROFILE. Profile is equal to What is the profile? Default. Now my intention is see module module. Module name is my module. Whatever the name you want to create it, my module. For which purpose we are creating? For which purpose we are creating? See which module you are testing. Please observe and tell me what is the module name here is there. Refer and tell me my VPC module. See,
module.
I am giving test underscore my underscore VPC underscore MODULE module. See, this is your
Start.
wish. Any name you can give it. Any name you can give. MODULE module. What is the name of the module? I am testing my VPC module. Is it clear or not? Tell me.
Okay, sir.
Any name we can use it. Any name. Here even hyphen is there. Hyphen is there. But what I took here? Underscore underscore underscore.
Underscore.
That is the user defined name. That is the user module having one module name, any one module name. Here, the main important thing is resource. RESOURCE. Resource is equal to double quotation dot double slash. Now, what is your actual module name? This is your my hyphen VPC hyphen module my hyphen VPC hyphen module. That is the actual folder name. Did I mention or not? Yes. In my way, everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. Just I am closing. We may check it. Spelling is correct, right? MODULE module. Yes. Save
Yes,
it.
sir.
Now we are testing Terraform. Here any dir, here star dot tf. Any other tf names are there? Only main.tf. This is one extra file is there. Got it or not? This is maybe in previous classes I got created. Today only I got created which one? Test module.tf today got created. This is
Yes, sir.
maybe in previous classes I created blindly del main.tf. Whatever it is there, leave it. Now only one tf file is there. Why I deleted this one? This may have one provider. This may have another provider. If multiple providers are there, we may get conflict. That's what I deleted. And now you know it. What is the first command? Terraform init. If anything goes wrong, it may give an error. It may test my VPC module declared at test module.tf as invalid source address, invalid source string. What happening? What happening? Initialize invalid module source address. What is the mod? Okay. Oh, address is not properly mentioned. It is saying you didn't mention proper address. Source is equal to source is equal to source is equal to that is not properly identified. Anyway, I'll go and get it that one. Notepad test module.tf source or resource source, right? The word source, the word source. I given resource. SOURC. SOURC source. No, correct, right? SOURC source. Close it, save it, and reapply it. There, first we need to apply Terraform init. Terraform init. Again, what it is? Backend configuration changed. Okay, we understood. What will you do? Terraform init migrate state. If it is giving any hint, we need to follow blindly. Now copy it, right click, just enter it. Again, it is giving one more error. No such bucket. This is not our bucket related thing, right? This is not our bucket, but our VPC related. Prior to changing backend, Terraform The source and S3 bucket does not exist. We don't want S3. Our intention is what? Actually, it is trying to create source. No, this is not our intention. I think I written proper only. S3 good. Source complete. Complete examples. Complete AWS. They given like this is the folder within one another folder. This is the multiple folders. That's multiple folders. Okay, I'll try to change another way. CLS where Terraform test module.tf notepad. Good. Here even I am writing this one. This is my VPC module. My VPC module. Source is equal to line. First initialize this finishes properly. Our work is simple. Terraform init. Invalid module source address. Terraform my VPC module. Declare a Terraform module. Line 8 has invalid source address. My VPC module Terraform cannot detect a supported external module source type from source type for my VPC module. My VPC module. My VPC module. What happens? What happens? Technically, I am correct, but it is saying you are not correct. Notepad test module.tf. Again, I go for dot slash DEFAULT correct. AP South 1 correct. VPC correct. Module internally having this one is correct. Now close it, save it. Actually, it is internally considering. I may go and delete this one. This folder itself I delete. Not supporting. Not supporting. First I am closing this. I think I don't want that. Now Terraform init, initializing the backend. The word backend means it is checking for which one? It is checking for which one? S3 related things. S3 related things. Use Terraform init reconfigure. Use Terraform init reconfigure. Okay, I may apply once again. Yes, good. And now got it or not? Check it. Their problem is in previous scenario that is interacting with S3 only. S3 backend is configured. You remove it means how to remove it? Terraform init reconfigured. According to this module, it is changed. Now what is the advantage here? Check it. Now I go for here ls means okay dir okay star only T related star. T related star. Check it here. Whenever if apply T related, or I may go something dot related is there. That one I want to show you, right?
One is the .tf.
Dot here, dot will not show for us, I think. Dot will not show directly. Dot will not show directly. Same file, I may get it at Visual Studio. There you may get it, right? Even I may go to E drive. See, quickly I may do it. VS Code. There only you will see proper look and feel. Now just I'm removing this. Even I may go to here. Where is the closing? I want to close this file, close folder. Yes, open it, not open folder. Our intention is file only, right? Our intention is file only, only file. File, where is the open? Open file,
Open
open
file.
file.
Yes.
Yes. Which file you want to open? In D drive? In not D drive,
Yes.
E drive.
Great.
E drive. What is the name? Test, I think. Test. Test Terraform test module.tf. That's one only. Yes.
Yes.
Open it. Open it. This is our code. Some capabilities may be required when editing a. Okay, it is expecting something. That is the internal. This is internal. It is asking. Anyway, oh, leave it. Just I am trying to compile here. You know how to compile? Terminal. Terminal. Just new terminal. Now tell me here. Terraform. Where is the file is not showing? Why? You need to see Terraform. Terraform. T-R-R-E. T-R-R-E. Terraform. Init. If it will show, then only we'll get it properly, right? Where it is showing our only, it is not showing. How can I get it? How can I get it? Okay. Shall I go with simple modification? What is the simple modification in the sense? Observe here. See what I may do in the sense. I may create one more folder. MD test. Are you understanding? With MD test, the subdirectory already there. Okay. MD SUDHI I given like this. What I am doing is CP CP. What is our file name? What is our file name? Just guess it. Test,
Um,
test, test. This one. CP test module.tf. Where I want to move within the E drive. Within the E drive. SUDHI Sudhi. Just I mean what happened? Not CP here. Here is copy. COPY copy. The syntax of the command is incorrect. Okay, leave it. Enter it. Now it is also not working. Copy command is correct only. Copy, copy, copy. There I need to copy SU Sudhi slash. Why? My intention is I want to copy into which folder? Sudhi folder. Which folder? Sudhi folder. COPY copy. COPY copy. It is not able to recognize. There I go for E colon slash. E colon slash. Not support. But even this slash. This is slash. Yes. Copied or not? So they're copied, right? Copied. Is
yes,
it
that's
clear?
perfect.
Yes. Now del test module.tf. Why I'm deleting? I don't want multiple areas. We may got confusion, right? That's what I deleted. Now see CD Sudhi. Now DAR. That file is there or not? Yes, sir. Test Sudhi. What is my advantage? What I may do is just even leave here. I am going to here. Even I am closing this. I don't want this. I don't want this. Open folder. Which folder I am opening here? E drive. Sudhi folder I am opening. Sudhi. SU. There. Sudhi. This folder I am open. This folder contains such file. Now it is clear, right? Look and feel is clear. Look and feel is clear. Now what I may do? Just go to terminal. Go to terminal, new terminal. There I am testing Terraform, Terraform, just init. Failed to reload module directory. Module directory does not exist or cannot be read. It is giving new error, where the syntax cannot find the field specified. The syntax cannot find the field specified. What is the name I used here? This is correct only. My VPC module only. My VPC module only. This is not a problem. This is not a problem. Failed to read module directory does not exist. Does not exist. Okay, even I understood. What I may do, Windows key, just a small thing I may do it. Going to, on which drive I created module? E drive only, right?
You
E
guys
drive.
only.
Where is our module name? Where is your module name? What is the module we took? VPC related, right?
Yes, sir,
Where is
VPC.
that? Where is that? Where is that? I think I go here. What is the name of that module? What is the name of that module? Test, not test module. What is our module name? This is not that one. What is our actual module name? Even here itself we can see, right? What is our actual module name in the sense? My VPC module. My VPC module. What I am doing is my VPC module. This is here. Observe here. This one I am copy it. My VPC module. Just copy. Where I want to go? Sudhir. Where I want to go? Sudhir. Here manually we are doing, that's why is the problem. Anyway, no problem. Sudhir. Sudhir. Within that, here see, paste. I pasted. I pasted. Once I pasted, again what I may do? I may delete. I may delete. Which one I may delete? There again I am going to downloads. Right click. Here the manually one more is there, right? One more is there. Where is Sudhir? Terraform mod. Within the Sudhir, my VPC is there. My VPC. This one, shift delete. Permanently delete. Yes. Because of I want to show you the details. That's what I am facing such difficulty. Otherwise, no need to go like this. Now refresh it. Refresh it. Refresh. I want to do refresh. Not refreshing, not here. My VPC module, I got it right. My VPC mod. I am checking this one only. Once again, I may go with init. Once again, I may go with init. Now see, is sure everything
Yes, sir.
automated download.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Once it is downloaded, you can see the source code also here. Now you come to here, you can see here modules. Now within the modules, providers, Terraform from not their modules, key source, dir. Okay, there actually we will see that one. Which one? Terraform modules. Actually, you'll see that module name also. Anyway, here is not displaying, no problem. I will try to check it. How to check a Terraform? Apply. It is asking what it is asking. Test my VPC module. The argument my VPC name is required, but no definition was found. What does it mean? There, Missing required arguments. Missing required argument means what? There we specify type. We specify type. What I may do is it won't take automatically internally. It won't take automatically. There I may do some more thing. What I'll do it. I'll do it. Now I'll go to here. There within the module. There main dot here. Within the variable first you place it. Default values. What is the default value? Default. Now give one name. What is the name you want to specify? My VPC name. My VPC name. There. My underscore VPC. My underscore VPC. Any other name we mentioned? My VPC name. Only one I took, right? CADR block. My VPC name. My dot VPC. In the same way, CADR block. It is default. Default. Tell me on CADR block. 5 dot 6 dot 0 dot 0 by 16. 0 by 16. Now any other requirement is needed? I think everything is clear. Everything is clear. Now just one is the CADR block required. Tag names okay. Tag names my VPC name. Okay, save it. Save. Just close it. This is our source. Now save here. I think save. AWS Terraform init once again. Terraform TRRAFORM TRRA.
TRRA.
Terraform init. Terraform up here. Now confirmation. Yes. See, module is it's full-fledged information, everything available here. Now Terraform statefile also is having that module. Even see clear indication is there or not. AWS underscore VPC, name my underscore VPC. I specified my underscore VPC. Type is that means Terraform statefile no name, but created name is my underscore VPC. These are the things. I think simply you got the clarity how to create a module. As an interview purpose, you need to remember only these two things. What is the name? If you want to create a module by using module keyword, how to get that module related information internally by using source. Source means gathering, right? Source means actual module where it is there, where it is there. We are specifying this module location with the help of source. We are creating module with the help of module block. See, this is the block, module block. This is what? Argument. This is what? Argument. This is what? Actual folder. This is the folder. This is the folder path. Folder path. This is the standard. Dot. This one also they will ask. They will ask one dot slash in shell script one dot slash, right? But in Terraform dot two slashes. Dot two slashes. Mhm. Is there any doubt, Kishore? If no doubt, we may wind the session.
Okay, no doubt.
Okay, good. We may wind the session. Just